Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Marhaban, hala wa salam. Welcome to another part of Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be having some Arabic conversation. That's Arabic conversation, getting to know someone in Arabic. That is التعارف على شخص ما بالعربية. التعارف على شخص ما بالعربية. التعارف على شخص ما بالعربية. That is getting to know someone in Arabic, asking question, and then going to be giving reply to such a question. Now, the first question is Masmuka al-awwal. Now, how do you say what is your first name? You say Masmuka al-awwal. That's a Masmuka. That's a Masmuka. Masmuka al-awwal. That's a Masmuka al-awwal. That is what is your first name? Masmuka al-awwal. Masmuka al-awwal. That is what is your first name? Masmuka al-awwal. What's your first name? Then, if I want to reply in my own case, I will say Ismi al-awwal Idris. Ismi al-awwal Idris. That is Ismi al-awwal Idris. That is my first name is Idris. My first name is Idris. Ismi al-awwal. That is Ismi al-awwal Idris. That is my first name is Idris. Now, how do you say what is your middle name? What is your middle name? That is, what is your middle name? You say Masmuka al-awsatu. Masmuka al-awsatu. That is Masmuka al-awsatu. That is Masmuka al-awsatu. That is, what is your middle name? What is your middle name? Masmuka al-awsatu. What is your middle name? Then if I want to apply in my own case, I will say Ismi al-awsatu Abdullah. Ismi al-awsatu Abdullah. That is my middle name. That is my middle name. My middle name is Abdullah. That is, my middle name is what? Abdullah. Masmuka al-awsatu. What is your middle name? Masmuka al-awsatu. What is your middle name? Then, if I want to reply in my own case, I will say Ismi al-awsatu Abdullah. Ismi al-awsatu Abdullah. That is, my middle name is what? Is Abdullah. My middle name is what? Abdullah. Now, how do you say what is your surname? What is your surname? You say Mahiya. That is Mahiya. Mahiya. That is Masmu Ailatuka. Masmu Ailatuka. That is Masmu Ailatika. That is Masmu Ailatika. That is, what is your surname? What is your surname? Masmu Ailatika. What is your surname? That is, then my reply is going to be Ismi Ailati. Ismi Ailati. Ismi Ailati. And that's Abdul Hamid. That is Abdul Hamid. That is my surname. That's my surname. is Abdullah Hamid. That is, my surname is what? Is Abdul Hamid. That is, my surname is Abdul Hamid. Masmu Ailatika, that is, what's your middle name? Then Ismi Ailati Abdul Hamid, that is, my surname is what? Is Abdul Hamid. Now, let's write it again. That is Aila, that Masmu, Ma Ismu, that my Ismu Ailatika. That is Ma Isma Ailatika. That is, what's your surname? What is your surname? What is your surname? What is your surname? That is, and this is for the masculine. But for the feminine, it's going to be Masmu Ailatiki. Masmu Ailatiki. But for the feminine, it's going to be Masmu Ailatuka. Masmu Ailatika. That is, what is your surname? Then my reply is going to be Ismi Ailati. Ismi Ailati. That is my surname. Ismi Ailati Abdul Hamid. That is Abdul Hamid. That is Abdul Hamid. That is my surname is what? Abdul Hamid. My surname is Abdul Hamid. That is, my surname is what? Abdul Hamid. Ismi Ailati Abdul Hamid. My surname is what? Is Abdul Hamid. Aila. This is Aila. Aila too. It means what? It means family. That's surname. It means family. So Usra. Usra too. It also means what? Surname. That's a family. But this comprises of what? Father, mother, and their what? And their children. But this is Ain that comprises of what? Extended family. Your father, your mother, your uncle, then your sister. That's an Ain that it comprises of what? That is an extended family. But this one is what? Usra. Usra too. Usra too. It comprises of father, mother, and their children only. Now, how do you say? If you want to say, where were you born? That is, where were you born? You say, Aina wulita. That's Aina wulita. Aina wulita. That's Aina wulita. That's where were you born? Aina wulita. Where were you born? Then, if I want to reply in my own case, I will say wulitu fi madinati Oshogbo. That's a wulitu. That's a wulitu. Wulitu fi madinati. Fi madinati Oshogbo. That wulitu fi madinati Oshogbo. That say I was born in where? In Oshogbo. That I was born in Oshogbo. Wulitu fi madinati. Wulitu fi madinati. I was born in where? In Oshogbo. Or you say Ana. Or you say Ana mauludu fi wilayati Oshogbo. Maulud is either you use mauludun or you use wulitu. Then if you use wulida, that's a wulitu. That's also correct. Wulitu fi madinati Oshogbo. That is, I was born in Oshogbo. Now, how do you say, what is your mother's tongue? That's what is your mother's tongue? What is your mother's tongue? You will say, Mahiya. That is, Mahiya Lugatu. ما هي لغتك الأم. That is ما هي لغتك الأم. That is what is your mother's tongue. That is what is ما هي لغتك الأم. What is your mother's tongue? Then if I want to reply in my own case, I will say لغتي الأم Yoruba. That's لغتي الأم. لغتي الأم Yoruba. That's Yoruba. That's لغتي الأم Yoruba. That's لغتي الأم Yoruba. That is my mother's. That is my mother's language is what? Is Yoruba. My mother's language is what is Yoruba. Lugati, that is Lugati al-Ummu Yoruba. That is my mother's language is what is Yoruba. Now, how do you say, where is your nationality? Where is your nationality? You say, Aina jinsiyatuka. That is Aina jinsiyatuka. You say, Aina jinsiyatuka. That jinsiyatuka. Aina jinsin. That is Aina jinsiyatuka. Aina jinsiyatuka. That is where is your nationality? Where is your nationality? Aina jinsiyatuka. Where is your nationality? Then if I want to apply in my own case, I will say jinsiyati Nigeria. That is jinsiyati. That is jinsiyati Nigeria. That Nigeria. That is jinsiyati Nigeria. That is my nationality. Is Nigeria. That is my nationality is what is Nigeria. My nationality is Nigeria. Jinsiyati Nigeria. That is my nationality is Nigeria. Now, anta min Nigeria. Anta Nigeria. That is anta Nigerian. That you are Nigeria. That anta. That anta. That anta Nigeria. That's anta Nigeria. That you are Nigerian. Anta Nigerian. Anta Nigerian. You are Nigerian. Now, then if I want to reply in my own case, I will say now. Yes, I'm a Nigerian. Yes, I'm Nigerian. Now, that is now. Now, that's yes, Anna. That's a Nigerian. That is Anna That is Anna. Anna, that's Anna. Nam Anna Najiri. That is yes. That's yes. I am Nigerian. That is yes, I am Nigerian. That is yes, I am Nigerian. Now, if you want to ask where, in which city in Nigeria, you say fi aji madinati fi Nigeria, fi aji madinati fi Nigeria. That's fi aji, fi aji. That is fi aji, fi aji. في أي مدينة that في أي مدينة نيجيريا that في أي مدينة نيجيريا that is in which city in Nigeria in which city in Nigeria then you say في مدينة Osogbo that في مدينة that في مدينة Osogbo Osogbo that في مدينة Osogbo that is في مدينة Osogbo in Osogbo that is in the town or in the city of Osogbo in the city of Osogbo Osogbo that in the city في مدينة Osogbo that is in the city of Osogbo. So these are Arabic conversation, that is our practice Arabic. Then just take your time to watch the video again. The topic is about التعرف على شخص ما بالعربية, that is getting to know someone in Arabic. If this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share, and then make comments. So see me in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching.